you're experiencing issues with Fortnite multiplayer not working, calibrating your settings can help resolve these problems. Follow these steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and strong. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services to see if they work properly. Step 2. Update Fortnite. Ensure that you have the latest version of Fortnite installed. Check for updates in the Epic Games launcher and install any available updates to fix potential bugs. Step 3. Adjust network settings. Go to the game settings and navigate to the network settings. Make sure your NAT type is set to open for better connectivity and adjust any other settings that may be affecting your connection. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your console or PC, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 5. Reinstall Fortnite. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Fortnite. This can help fix any corrupted files or settings that may be causing multiplayer issues. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your Fortnite settings and improve your multiplayer experience. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Fortnite support for further assistance.